Hey guys, my name's Paige. Today we're going to do an Emery Rose haul, which is a child company of the brand SHEIN. So let's get started. You'll see that pretty much everything comes in a SHEIN bag as well. So I'm pretty sure that means that you could find all these items on that website. So here are some of the selections that I got. So this is just kind of a comfy lay around the house sweater. It's actually really soft. So I like this, and the texture kind of changes for the bottom half versus the top. So there's that one. I also got these work pants that I thought would be fun. I really wanted some work pants that were comfy. And then there's a little tie around the waist that looks kind of small. I think I got these in a medium, but I don't know if I can fit in these. So we'll see about those, but they're very cute. And then this is something I'm really excited about. I got this huge overcoat. They're kind of like one of those tea coats or pea coats or England coats, whatever it's called. And so this is the back. And then the front. I thought it would be really nice to wear to like a more dressy occasion or a wedding or something. Just fall in general. To be a little bit more classy instead of wearing your winter parka all the time. So I have that. And then I got this sweater as well. Another just comfy lounge sweater, something easy to throw on. It's very Thanksgiving-y actually, so maybe I'll wear that on Thanksgiving. Now here's what the Emery Rose packaging looks like. So like I said, I only got a couple on this packaging. The rest were all in the SHEIN packaging. So here is a dress that I got. It's so soft. This is incredibly soft. Kind of hard to show it all, but I'll try it on for you in a second. So we'll see. It's a little bit more red than I thought it was. I thought it was like kind of a pinky plum, but oh well. And then another dress I got that I'm excited for is this gray one here. Super cute. So it kind of reminds me of American Eagle, where they used to have dresses like these with the little flouncy skirt. I don't know if you know what I'm talking about, but so that one looks nice. And then I also got a pair of shoes to wear to work that I thought I could try out. So these aren't really my typical style. These like mules, I think they're called. But I figured I'd give them a go. And again, I just wanted something I could throw on and like not have to try too hard. So that's what these are. Okay. So that was everything I got from one purchase, and then I also made a separate order on Emery Rose and got some more items. So here are those. I got a pair of work pants as well. They're kind of longer, and I think they're just like boot cut or flare or straight or something at the end. They're not skinny. So there's those. And then look at how cute this jacket is. Just look. Like, is that not adorable? I love this jacket. This is by far my favorite thing out of all of them, and it's warm. Super cute. I got this pink shirt from Emery Rose, which is kind of nice. It's got little detail on the sleeves. I got this blouse. This is a little bit sheer. You kind of have to wear something under it. I don't know if you can see my face, but I can see through it. So there's that one. And then I got this skirt. I thought a skirt would be fun for fall. Again, something easy to throw on. Yeah, the waist is pretty small for a medium, I think, but it fits fine, so. And then I got just a casual gray shirt. Nothing exciting, but it's super comfortable and it's really flattering with the V-neck. So I like that. And then I got this white shirt. Again, good for work. It's just very simple, but pretty. So that's everything that I got. And then my mom also made a purchase and got a couple things at Emery Rose too, so I'll show you those now. To start, she got this red skirt that she can wear. It's kind of form-fitting. She got this blue top with really cute sleeves. This yellow top with a funky design on it. This blue 3/4 sleeve top. We always say that we don't like sleeves like this though, because then they kind of pinch your arm. I don't know if anyone else has experienced that. And then we got this lovely one with the cute little cuffed short sleeve there. She accidentally bought 2 of these though, so I have another as well for myself. Ow. She has this nice long sleeve blouse. And then my mom bought the same pair of pants that I got as well, I think. So these are those with the little waist with the ruffle and then the belt that goes around. She got this cream blazer. It did come with shoulder pads, but my mom said no way and took those babies out. So she got another pair of pants with kind of a ruffle waist and a tie. And then she got a pair of brown pants, but in certain lights it kind of looks plum to me. And those just go all the way to the floor. So, beautiful. Then she got a casual skirt that you can wear around. It has a tie around the waist. This super cute skirt with the pleats in the front and a little bit of a like pleated fringe look around the waist. She got this gray short sleeve with kind of a slouching neck here, which is super cute. And then last but not least, she got this overcoat that looks like this. It ties around the waist as well. And that is everything. Overall, we think all the outfits are super cute. One thing we've noticed is that because the clothes are coming from China, presumably, they're a little bit smaller. So I suggest you order a size up. But everything is great. It's super cute, good quality for the price. And yeah, go check it out. Thanks so much for watching. I'll catch you in my next video.